If you love someone, tell them. If you miss someone, call them. Tomorrow is never promised. Hey, y'all, it's Shonda, your favorite realtor's favorite realtor. And today is day 75 of my 100-day challenge. Now, Jamal and I and the family, we're preparing to lay one of his aunts to rest. And it has me reflecting on something that's so important. Life is short. And the truth is, we don't know how much time we have with the people that we love. And that's why I believe in showing love now, not later. Say I love you. Hug a little longer. Make times for those family dinners, those phone calls, and laughs over nothing. Y'all, because at the end, it's not the things that we own that matters. It's the moments we share and the memories we make. And here's the other part: live your life to the fullest, y'all. Take the trips, celebrate the wins, chase those dreams, and don't wait for the perfect time to create it. So today I'm encouraging you: show love to your people, live boldly, and never take a single day for granted. So I'd like for y'all to drop a yellow heart in the comments for someone you love and tag them if you can. And let's remind each other to spread love while we have a chance. As always, excellence rooted in integrity, deliver with urgency, smile, and be a blessing. See y'all for day 76.